Mercedes-Benz, the company's heritage is the single most important thing that underpins our brand. The company has built its reputation on a long history of engineering excellence, performance, innovation, and world-leading quality. Mercedes-Benz has developed some of the most innovative and dominant sports and Grand Prix cars ever created. In 1954 and 1955, in just these 2 years, the incredible W196 Grand Prix car brought Mercedes another period of dominance and glory. It was driven to victory at the 1955 Buenos Aires Grand Prix. One of those cars, the 1954 Mercedes-Benz W196R Stromlinienwagen, or Streamliner, chassis number 9, the car was donated to the Indianapolis Motor Speedway by the Mercedes-Benz factory in 1965. This chassis is one of 4 known complete examples to feature the streamlined bodywork. It is incredible news that one of those unique cars will be offered for sale by RM Sotheby's on February 1st in a unique single car auction at the Mercedes-Benz Museum in Stuttgart. A few years ago, I had the unique opportunity to drive a W196R on the Silverstone racetrack, and it was an absolute privilege. I was blown away by the drivability and technology of back then. This car is a pure showcase of engineering innovation and excellence and is an integral part of the ethos and DNA which still underpins everything we do at Mercedes-AMG Petronas Formula 1 team. I believe this car is an unrepeatable opportunity for lucky collector to own one of the most important competition cars that Mercedes-Benz has ever produced.